Welcome to Eat Your Backyard, my YouTube channel where I talk about all kinds of things edible and tropical that I'm into. Subscribe if you're not already. This is an update in the What You Got Growing On series. Now, if you're not familiar with this series, go ahead and watch the other episodes, but we've been doing this for a while, planting various seeds and cuttings on this grow table I made, very eclectic grow table, and I'm going to give you an update on where we're at. So, I grew 5 varieties of Dracaena from cuttings in my yard, and you can see they were all doing fantastic. Even this one, which was chewed off by a squirrel or something, it's even growing back. And this corn, Dracaena fragrans, is also doing quite well. This Mexican petunia has already flowered several times, grew beautifully from a cutting. 2 mango trees that I grew from pits here, both Tommy Atkins mangoes, doing well. Our ever-bearing mulberries, all 4 cuttings sprouted. Green Florida chewing cane, how to grow green Florida chewing cane. This is a Persian mulberry tree, beautiful Persian mulberry. That's an oyster plant, did very well from a cutting. Now we've got some things here that we planted that haven't sprouted yet. I won't go too much into them, but papaya from a seed and several other things. Hibiscus is definitely alive. I planted 2 cuttings. Both of them seem to be alive. This one's certainly already showing a little leaf. Oh, I had 6 varieties of Dracaena. There's also this one, the tricolor, doing very well. Took a small cutting to get that one going. This is the brown turkey fig, doing well. It's kind of dropping its leaves, but that's about the time of the year. But it grew well from a cutting. Papaya from a cutting, doing very well, I would say, considering that we had a little cold snap. Here's another one I grew, which was just a bunch of this Song of India Dracaena in a tighter form, and that's doing quite well, of course. Now, these are crotons, and I've got 3 varieties of croton. This type here, longleaf, beautiful type, and this one are the same. This one I got from a seed. This one I actually grew from a cutting. This variety actually clung to life. I'm quite happy to say it's like an oak leaf kind of variegated Dracaena that I like, a croton that I like quite a bit. This, of course, is a very popular spiraling type of Mamie croton, I think is what they call it. That grew extremely well from cuttings, and it grew also from a seed. Actually, no, I'm sorry. That seed there is from this croton. Yep. This is lemongrass, and hopefully you can see the little lemongrass coming up here and there. Yep, lemongrass getting ready to go. My sable palm has sprouted. Probably see that green little sprout there, hopefully. That's good. I planted several seeds and they were very green, so I was a bit worried they weren't going to sprout. But I'm growing microgreens. Doing very well. A small Montingia tree grown from a seed. Some starfruit doing well, grown from seeds. That was grown as 4 seeds actually. This is Ducat dill grown from seeds. That's doing well, just sprouted. I believe these are either the Casper eggplant or the purple tiger peppers, but I have to wait and see. In one of these other pots I have that. Now these 2 are some beautiful red greens that I grew from seeds, microgreens, and they are kale, red kale, and radish. Holy moly. You hear that? Oh wow, a rocket just took off. Look at that. Thanks, Elon Musk. That's kind of cool. Can you see the rocket? Can't see it. Nice little commercial break to check out the rocket launch. Sunny day in Central Florida. We get to enjoy that sometimes. I don't mind having my gardening interrupted by a spaceship going into space. So the red vegetables are doing quite well, microgreens. I'm going to get ready to eat some of these too. Look at that. Oh, they look so good. And I love that red color. And you can see that the redness in the leaves is really starting to happen, especially on the veins. Okay, and then the Eureka palm. Rockstar of palms. Rockstar. did very well from transplanting some that grew from seeds so that I just threw on the ground. And here are the 3 remaining from 6 seeds that I planted. 5 sprouted, 2 were eaten by squirrels. We have 3 remaining, and they're going strong. These are apple banana pups that I planted in an earlier series, and you can see little bit of growth happening. They're not looking that great, but it's not really a great time of the year for them anyway, so we'll see. Hopefully they'll cling to life and get a little bit more hardy, but right now they're just getting started in those pots. Here's another. This is a Hayden mango from a seed, actually, that I put in this pot, and we'll see if it grows. And here's a Musa banana tree pup. And you can see the skin is shrunken back from the central pup, but that's just fine. That's a sacrificial thing. Those nutrients go back into the pup, and it's actually going to produce a beautiful, beautiful Musa banana tree. So hey, if you're not already subscribed to Eat Your Backyard, I hope you will subscribe, and I hope you'll hit the like button if you found this to be useful or fun to watch. Go ahead and turn on all notifications. That way you'll be notified as new videos come out. We talk about all kinds of things all the time, do live streams. Getting a new phone, by the way, which is why I've been kind of holding off on live streams lately, but it's because I didn't want to have the poor quality of the phone, trying to make more content like this. But yeah, it's fall in Florida, and this is a great time. Great time to grow things. Look at the redness in that beautiful sea grape. Subscribe, hit the links in the notification to support the channel. You can get links to small loans if you want to do a yard project, and also to get people that'll come over, help you do projects, stuff like that. So there's a lot of cool links in the description. Just check them out. Also a lot of links to fruit trees if you have need of such thing. Thanks for watching. Eat Your Backyard.